let's get started.
Hi.
Look
Hello.
at the camera, please.
How are you?
I'm fine, and how about you?
I'm also keeping good. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
May I ask you some question about your family?
Oh sure, why not?
Do you love your family?
Yes, of course, I love my family. Do you love your family?
Yes, I also love my family. How many members are there in your
How
family?
many members or how many people?
People are there in your family?
There are 4 people in my family.
Who are they?
They are my grandma, my father, my mother, and I. How many people are there in your family?
There are 4 members in my family.
Who are they?
They are my mother, my father, my elder brother, and I. What's your father?
My father is a businessman. What's your father?
My father is a government employee. What's your mother?
My mother is a teacher. What's your mother?
My mother is a homemaker. What does your father like?
My father likes traveling. What does your father like?
My father likes hanging out with his friend.
Good, wonderful.
What does your mother like?
My mother likes watching serial. What does your mother like?
My mother likes gardening. Do you have any siblings?
No, I have no any siblings. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have an elder brother.
Okay. What does your elder brother do?
My elder brother is a student. He studies at class 11. Do your parents let you stay out late?
Sometimes my parents let me stay out late.
Wow, wonderful question.
Do your parents let you stay out late?
Yes, my parents sometimes let me stay out late.
Wonderful. Let's go to finish.
Okay.
Nice.
Nice to meet you.
Hello, excuse me, my name is Uma Sain. What's your name?
My name is Shui King Marma.
By what name can I call you?
You can call me Shui King.
Okay, Shui King, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also good. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
May we
Talk
about our family?
Yes, of course.
Do you love your family?
Yes, I love my family. Do you love your family?
Yes, I love my family. How many people are there in your family?
There are 4 people in my family.
Who are they?
They are my mother, my father, my brother, and I. How many people are there in your family?
There are 4 people in my family.
Who are they?
They are my mother, my father, my elder sister, and I. Do you live in a house or apartment?
I live in an apartment. Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in an apartment.
Down. Give a big Assalamu alaikum. Okay. So I think both of you are getting ready to have a conversation. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
So most welcome to have a conversation. But I have a question for you. About what would you like to talk?
We would like to talk about our best friend.
Okay, let's get started. Please welcome them. Give a big hand.
Lovely to meet you.
Lovely to meet you too.
Okay. How have you been today?
I have been great, and how about you?
I'm also keeping fantastic. May I ask you some question about your best friend?
Oh sure, why not?
Do you have best friend?
Yes, I have so many best friends, but I have a best friend. Her name is Chenchiu Marma. Do you have any best friend?
Yes, I have so many friends, but one of the friend is my best friend. Her name is Ukraching Marma. Okay, Nedashe, why do we need friends?
We need friends in different way. Like we can share our feelings, thoughts. We can go forward while falling in danger. We can make a fun and so on. Why we need best friend?
Again.
Why do we need friend?
I think we need friends for so many reasons. Like if we have friends, we can share our feelings. We can gossip. We can travel with them, and when we can help each other and so on. What are the advantages of having friends?
There are so many advantages of having friends. Like we can discuss about study, we can travel, and we can make fun, and so on. What are the advantages of having friends?
There are so many advantages of having friends, like we can develop our extracurricular activities, extracurricular activities, and we can discuss our study, and so on. What are the disadvantages of having friends?
There are so many advantages of having friends,
Again,
but
advantages or disadvantages?
Disadvantages.
there are the disadvantages of having friends is very hardly. Sometimes she leads to disagreement, conflicts, and she always depends on me.
Again, she always
Dependent on me. What are the disagreements of having friends?
I think
Again, last.
What are the disadvantages of having friends?
I think disagreement and misunderstanding is the main are the main disadvantages of having friends.
Okay, thank you. Let's clap. Give me again. Good job. Okay, let's proceed.
Hello.
Hello.
Glad to meet you.
Glad to meet you too.
Okay, may I ask you some question about your best friend?
Yes, of course.
Okay, do you have any best friend?
Yes, I have so many best friends.
What is the name of your best friend?
My best friend's name is Tasri.
Okay. What class does she study in?
She studies in class 6.
Which school does she study in?
She studies in Bandarban Public School and College.
Okay. So why do you need friends?
We need friends for sharing our thoughts and feelings.
Thank you. Let's give a big hand for that. Okay, let's continue.
Do you have any best friend?
Yes, I have so many friends. Some of students is my best friend.
Some of the students are mine.
Are my best friend.
Okay. What is the name of your best friend?
My best friend name is Oishi Devi.
Okay. Why we need best friend?
Again,
Why we need Why do we need best friend?
We need best friends because for sharing our thoughts, difficulties.
because we can share
Because we can share. We can share our thoughts, difficulties. We can discussing about our study. We can discuss about our study. We can play with them. That's all.